What's your favorite genre of music?
I love rock music. You?
I prefer pop.
Nice. Any favorite artists?
Taylor Swift is one of my favorites.
Great choice. I love her songs.
Have you seen her in concert?
Not yet, but I'd love to.
Same here. What's your favorite song of hers?
Blank Space is so catchy.
That's a good one. I like Shake It Off.
Such a fun song to dance to.
Do you dance often?
Only at parties. You?
Just for fun at home.
That's the best way.
Do you cook?
A little, mostly simple dishes.
Same. I'm not a master chef.
Me neither, but I enjoy it.
What's your favorite dish to cook?
Pasta is easy and delicious.
I love making stir-fry.
That sounds tasty.
Do you like trying new recipes?
Yes. It's fun to experiment.
I agree. Have you made anything new lately?
I tried a new curry recipe.
How did it turn out?
Surprisingly good.
Nice. I'll have to try that.
Let me know how it goes.
Will do. What's your go-to snack?
I love popcorn. You?
Chips and salsa are my favorite.
Yum! Great combo.
Do you watch any TV shows?
Yeah, I'm into thrillers right now.
Me too. Any recommendations?
Breaking Bad is a must-watch.